Tucked away on the southwest coast of India, Alleppey is a slice of Kerala that is famous for its vast network of canals and waterways, the iconic Kerala backwaters. Best experienced aboard a traditional houseboat, which is something that we're going to be doing in just a few days. But before we set sail, we are diving into the town itself to see what unexpected moments we can find along the way.
We're actually here this morning at Cafe Paradiso. It's our very first food or experience out in public here because we've just been at our little Airbnb, which is actually like an Ayurvedic massage place too. So this morning I got a beautiful little cappuccino. Nick got an iced double cappuccino. And we're just sitting here watching the world go by. It is so beautiful. I can't wait to show you the backwaters of Kerala. And we are going to be going on a houseboat adventure, but not yet, because we are here for a few days. So we're gonna see what this town is about before we head out onto the backwaters on our houseboat tour. So very, very exciting stuff. And of course, show you too. So bon appetit, and let's explore Alleppey.
So all of these guys that are running along the waterway with their boats are all trying to flag you in to get you to go in their boats and take a boat ride. We haven't asked the price yet, but I'm sure that would be somewhat negotiable. And the traffic this morning down the road is absolutely crazy. It's very backed up. And everybody is so friendly, it's insane. Everyone's like, where are you going? Oh, you're going to get dinner, nice. Like, oh, how are you liking India? Like, everybody is just so ridiculously friendly and lovely down here in the south of India. Kerala specifically, it's just wild how like friendly and like nice people are. Everyone wants to talk to you. People are just like so kind and warm, and they really just want to talk to you here. It's really beautiful.
These people aren't selling anything.
No.
Like
no one's, this is just people at their homes.
They're just at home.
Yeah, people are just at home and they just want to say what's up.
Hello.
Hello.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah. I can't believe this place looks like this. Good morning, how are you? Good. So since we were down in Kerala, home of the Ayurvedic massage, we decided today that I will get my first Ayurvedic massage. I haven't had one yet, but Rachel got one the other day, and she made it sound so relaxing and so nice that I feel like I should get one as well. My back's been a bit sore the last few days, especially sitting on like buses and trains and stuff. So I'm definitely looking forward to it. And of course, Rachel is also gonna get another massage because I can't go get one without her to get one as well.
How good? I'd be too jealous.
Of course. Ayurvedic wellness originated here in the state of Kerala. You have to go there and get what the place is known for, of course. My massage was fantastic. I felt crazy when I got out of it. Like my whole body just felt like I got up and I was like, oh, like I felt numb. I got into this steamer after, which was almost kind of freaky. Like you sit in this thing and like your head pops out the top and it just like fills with steam. And it got very hot, but it was nice. It was a really good feeling. It's what really like conked me out after.
Our massages were amazing.
Outstanding.
Outstanding. We went back to the room and just relaxed in the afternoon at the heat of the day. I should mention, because every single Indian city that we've been to so far has been different in terms of what you do to get rickshaws. In Goa, there's no rickshaws. In somewhere like Mumbai, they run the meter. Here, they don't have their meters working, so you are back to negotiating the price. There's no Uber here either, so you have to use your finest negotiation skills, but no, it seems like they have pretty set prices for each of the destinations here. Nice man.
Welcome to Alleppey Beach. After a short 15-minute rickshaw ride, we have arrived. First thing we noticed when we walked onto the beach is that it's a really long stretch of sand between the roadway and the water, which kind of reminded us a lot of Venice Beach, surprisingly, because if you've ever been to Venice Beach, it's just like that. There's like the road where you get dropped off or where you're walking along, and then there's quite a long stretch of sand all the way out to the water. This beach is less busy than Venice Beach typically is, at least for right now. We are still in India. I'm sure this beach will get much, much busier. People are probably having dinner, or actually no, most Indian people have a very late dinner. People are probably, I don't know what people are doing. Anyways, behind you, there is a carnival happening. I see a merry-go-round. I see a big spinny thing. I see a pirate ship. So we are here to check that out, if it's running. One unfortunate thing that I am noticing is that there is quite a bit of trash along this upper part of the beach. And with the reflection of the sun kind of like bouncing off a lot of the plastics, it's very noticeable right now. Otherwise, it's an absolutely gorgeous beach, and there are a ton of families a lot closer to the water that are all hanging out and enjoying this absolutely beautiful sunset.
And guys, when we bring up like the garbage on the beach, we're not at all trying to highlight a negative side of the beach when we're just having to be realistic. It is a huge observation when you first come down here, but also like as a call to action. If you are going to the beach and littering, stop that. These are beautiful, beautiful lands here in India. The environment is important everywhere, but here it's just so gorgeous, and it's really such a shame to see trash. But again, I don't want to be harping on the negative stuff. It's not really our thing. I know some YouTubers do come here and do that, and that's not going to be us. So let's shut up and enjoy the sunset, right? Everyone just kind of like hangs out in these groups, hey?
A lot of little groups, a lot of families, a lot of friends. When you think of fair food, you typically think of like popcorn, maybe like a corn dog. I mean, if you're from a really crazy fair, maybe they'll have like ribs or something, you know? This one has vegetables, which is definitely better for you than like
use that right now.
Salty snacks.
Let's go. Okay, we got our tickets. We're waiting for our seat on the
Sideways
Ferris
Ferris
wheel.
wheels.
I think she was trying to get off. I think she's scared. Nick is scared.
I'm chilling. Whoa, we're going backwards.
I didn't think we were gonna go
Oh,
backwards.
because they're letting me. Yeah, sure.
Everyone's freaking me out. I wasn't scared, and then everyone's acting like they're all scared.
To the sideways Ferris wheel.
I want to see the sunset. No. I thought this was gonna literally be a beautiful sunset ride. I'm so scared.
Your sunnies are
Oh
on.
my god, Nick, I'm actually proper scared. Is it okay?
You're okay. Yes, you're okay. It's fine.
No, Nick, really hold on, because you never know when it's gonna go again.
You do. You can hear the motor.
Is it gonna go fast again? It's getting off. I want nothing more than to get off this fucking ride. When does it end? What the hell?
So from the videos I've seen, they start driving in the circle, and then they rip, and then they get moving up on the walls, and they'll come like all the way up to the top.
Wait, does this seem safe? Are you sure?
Yes, babe. The show is getting started, and these men without helmets have all jumped on the bikes and in the cars, so
I really hope they put on a helmet.
My like face hurts. I literally can't wipe the fucking smile off my face. That was one of the craziest things I've ever seen. It was so rickety and so sketchy. And those guys were hanging off the fucking bikes and out of the cars. That was insane. Oh my god, my face hurts. Oh, that was so cool, man. I'm so glad we did that. That was cool. Wow.
Well, I can't say that we were expecting that, but India surprises us every day, and that is why we love it here. We'll see you next week in a new video. Bye.